ArCADia system has an option to compare documents. Two documents coming from the same file. It means that there are subsequent versions of the project. This option is available on the System ribbon, Compare Documents. We can have two documents open at the same time. Then the second document is available from the list. We can also open the project while this option is running by specifying the file. A third document will be created with the contents of both projects. All the elements will be analyzed and marked as new, deleted, changed, or unchanged. If any of the levels in one of the projects would be changed, for example its height or name, it would be highlighted in colors to the 3 of the project manager. It's not, so levels have not changed. In a 3D view, we can see that changes are only on the ground floor. So for readability, we can turn off the remaining levels of the projection. Initially, we can see that staircase was exchanged with the bathroom. We additionally activate identical elements in both the projections. What is in the first document and not in the second, as it was inserted in the first one, is marked in navy blue. What is not in the first document, as it was created in the second one, is drawn in red. Elements present in both documents, but differing from each other with properties or location, are marked in cyan. Elements modified in the second document are in gray. Most probably this wash basin, marked in the second document in cyan, has been moved. Besides being able to see the elements on the projection and in the 3D view, we also have the list available. The list can show the entire project or the current view, that is, the selected level. We can check elements in the list, enter properties, or check their location in the document. Clicking in the list centers the projection view of the drawing to show the selected element in the center of the screen. Now we can see that in the first document the shower is in this place, and in the second one it was moved and it is shown in gray. We will still check the modified wall. This wall was probably shortened. It can be seen that the right side, the wall projection, looks totally different. Additionally, the wall above was added. To check on properties, we can use special icons that open respective elements in the projection. We cannot modify anything in Properties window. We can only check on parameters.